Welcome to Bhavna's Kitchen. Today I'm making quick and easy quinoa and peach salad. Mango can be used as well for this recipe. Quinoa mango salad tastes amazing as well. So just go ahead and use your favorite fruit for this recipe. Let's begin making quinoa and peach salad. Take your choice of quinoa, red, white or mix of red and white. Half cup of quinoa. Wash quinoa really well until water runs clear. Into the medium size of pot, take washed quinoa with 1 cup of water and cook quinoa on a medium to high heat. Cover half open. Check and stir quinoa occasionally. It will take about 10 minutes to cook quinoa. Quinoa is almost ready to get done. Just a little water left. When you see the ring formed around the quinoa grain, quinoa is done. Turn off the stove and keep it covered until ready to use. Perfectly cooked quinoa is ready to use into your recipes like soup, salad. Alright, so here I have the perfectly cooked quinoa and now ready to use in salads, soup and more. Let's get some fresh ingredients from the garden. Here I have lemon tree. They're still green but taste amazing, so I love to use them while they're green even. Some basil leaves. First, I'm going to chop red onion. I prefer to chop red onion slightly fine for this recipe. And I am going to start adding the chopped ingredients right into the salad bowl. Chop cilantro and basil. For this recipe, feel free to use your favorite herbs like parsley, but I have easy access to cilantro in my kitchen, so I love using cilantro. Here I have juicy, sweet peach. You can use your favorite fruits like mango even for this recipe, but today I have a peach on hand, so I thought of using peach for this recipe. Throw chopped peach right into the salad bowl. And finally, it's time to add quinoa, cooked quinoa. And look at how colorful the bowl looks. Cut the lemon and keep aside. And now it's time to finalize the salad. Here I have dried coconut chips. If you have available, you can add in. Sliced almonds with skin or without. Salt to taste. Pepper to taste. Ground cumin. Crushed garlic, dried garlic. Red pepper flakes. Drizzle olive oil and squeeze fresh lemon or lime juice. Mix it and ready to eat. You can see how easy it is to put together this quinoa peach salad. So here I have quinoa peach salad ready, and I already know how amazing it tastes, but I am ready to give it a taste test. As soon as I put my first bite, all the flavors bursting from peach, quinoa, basil, cilantro. Amazing. This is a must-try recipe. You can prepare even on a very busy day. Perfect for lunchbox even. So, very versatile recipe for many occasions even. Picnic, party. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can also visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe, tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. Don't forget to follow Bhavna's Kitchen on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest and more. And I hope you are using my apps on iOS, Android, even Roku. You can see me on a big TV screen. Thanks for watching and see you soon.